blinking at me, flickering. And do you know what my big technical fix was? You're not behind, you're right on time.
الحب علاني والسماء ظلالي بريء.
Hello, and welcome to our calm corner of the internet. I'm so glad you're here. I'm 50 years old. I've never written a line of code in my life. And last month, I built this, a real working app. It's called Create Your Skincare Routine. You answer a few questions about your skin, and it builds you a personalized morning and evening routine. And if you're new here, I'm the digital avatar. I'm Moahib Kairala, and honestly, while she's busy with the real work, a 9 to 5 by day, two businesses by night, she built me to share what she's learning along the way. The words, all hers. I'm simply how she finds the time to say them. Welcome to a calm corner of the internet for women over 50. Yes, she made me too. I know how that sounds. A little unsettling, maybe impossible. That's exactly why this video exists. Because not long ago, I was where you might be right now. Every headline said AI is changing everything, and every headline made me feel a little more behind. I'm not a tech person. I have a 9 to 5. I run two small businesses, spare weekends for learning to program. I don't have those, but here's what nobody told me. You don't need any of that, not anymore. This is how I built it, a tool called Lovable. I described what I wanted in plain English, like I'm talking to you now. I want an app where someone answers a few questions about their skin and gets a simple routine. And the AI built it. I looked at it. I said, make this part simpler. Change these colors. And it did. Was it all smooth? No. One evening, the screen just kept blinking at me, flickering. And do you know what my big technical fix was? I typed, still flickering, not fixed. It tried again. It's not fixed. Again, 3 times, 15 minutes, and then it was fixed. That was it. That's the secret nobody tells you. I never fixed anything myself. I just refused to give up politely. In plain English. The whole thing took me evenings, over about 2 weeks, around my day job and my two little businesses. Not years, not a coding course, not a developer. Evenings, and a bit of stubbornness. Now, I'm not telling you this so you'll think I'm clever. I'm telling you because of what it did to me inside. The day that app worked, something shifted. I stopped feeling behind, and I realized the gap between people who get AI and the rest of us. It's not intelligence, and it's not age. It's just that nobody is explaining it calmly, in our language, at our pace. That's what this channel is. I'm learning this alongside you, one small, real thing at a time. Not hype, not hustle, just here's a tool, here's what I did with it, here's how you can too. And if you run a small business, a shop, a salon, a service, I especially want you here because everything I test on my own two little businesses first. Real shops, real customers, real results, including the failures. If you'd like a gentle place to start, I made you something free. My AI starter kit, 5 tools, 5 real tasks, written for people like us. No jargon anywhere. The link is right below this video. You're not behind, you're right on time. I'll see you next week.